Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She was 7 years old and lived with her parents and her dog, Max, in a small village. Lily was brave during the day, but at night, she was afraid of the dark. She always asked her parents to leave the light on when she went to bed. One evening, there was a big storm. The wind howled, and the rain poured down heavily. Suddenly, all the lights in the house went out. It was completely dark. Lily was sitting in her room with Max, feeling scared. "What do we do now, Max?" she whispered. Max wagged his tail, but he was a little scared too. Lily's mother called from downstairs, "Lily, you okay?" "Yes, Mom," Lily replied, trying to be brave, but she was still nervous. Her father said, "Don't worry, Lily. We'll find some candles and flashlights. Why don't you come downstairs with Max?" Lily thought for a moment. She was afraid of the dark, but she didn't want to stay in her room alone. So, she took a deep breath, held Max's collar tightly, and said, "Come on, Maximum. We can do this." She carefully walked through the dark hallway. It was quiet, and the only sound was the rain outside. Every step felt a little scary, but Max was by her side, and that made her feel a bit stronger. When she reached the stairs, her parents were waiting for her at the bottom. Her dad had already found a flashlight, and the light made Lily feel much better. "Good job, Lily. You were very brave," her mom said with a smile. Lily smiled back. "I was scared, but Max helped me," she said, hugging her dog. They all sat together in the living room, surrounded by the warm light of the candles. Lily felt safe now. The storm outside didn't seem so bad anymore. As they sat there, Lily realized something important. She didn't need to be afraid of the dark. As long as she had her family and Max with her, she could be brave. That night, after the storm passed and the lights came back, Lily went to bed with a new feeling of courage. She didn't ask her parents to leave the light on. She hugged Max and whispered, "I'm not scared anymore." And from that night on, Lily wasn't afraid of the dark anymore. Moral: courage isn't about not being afraid, it's about facing your fears, even when you feel scared.